Hello, good morning. This is actually ridiculous. I mean, I was in the same position last year. Actually, since 2017, I would wonder. I'd go into CoinMarketCap or log into my wallet and see everything just either massively in the green or massively in the red. And why you could be up 20% one day and then down 20% the very next day. It just boggled my mind. This is kind of why I wanted to start trading and wanted to start actually, you know, studying the market. It's actually not rocket science, believe it or not. And I'm going to explain to you guys why your portfolio is in the red, why you shouldn't panic, market cycles, and yeah, how we actually timed the drop uh, to the minute. It's actually quite hilarious. Okay, right. Why is your portfolio in the red? Well, what comes up must come down. This is what you guys need to understand. If we look at the daily chart for Ethereum, right? Since the 19th of July, we have been straight pumping. This is the daily chart. This is like, I barely even look at this time frame. We have been straight rising for a month and a half. What did you guys expect? This is just going to keep going up. It doesn't work like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. It's not that easy. Markets go in cycles, okay? There are weekly cycles, there are monthly cycles. I mean, I'm seeing these whole cycles play out on the 15-second time frame within about 10, 45 minutes. It's actually really not rocket science. I'm going to show you guys this. Right, so we've been steady rising for the past month and a half. If we go down into the hour time frame, it's not really gone anywhere that it hasn't been before. I mean, we're literally just where we are at the start of September. It hasn't gone anywhere. Like, why are you guys panicking? Just because your Moon Boy friends were posting Ethereum at 4,000, we weren't gonna go straight to the moon. Not yet. Not yet. This is because the people in play, the institutional traders, market makers, liquidity providers, they need to they need to get they need to see some sort of return. You can't like they can't just make us like normal plebs make money. And the key of it all is move when the market makers move. Okay, so this is based on like call it the Wyckoff pattern, call it the like yeah, Wyckoff distribution, call it whatever the fuck you want. But things in the markets go in threes, okay? Three rises up and then three rises down. What the fuck does that look like? I will show you. Let me get my handy dandy path tool. So, July 19th, back to the daily time frame. Actually, let's drop down to the. This is actually making my computer lag. Sorry. But yes, let's go back to July 19th. Oh my god, it's so slow. I need a Macintosh. I mean, I need something that's not a Macintosh. Actually, what I'll show you guys is the cycle in of itself without the candlesticks. So you've got the start of a pump, right? Peak formation. It usually kind of looks like a W with the second leg of the W a little bit higher than the first one. Rise. Level 1. Retrace. Level 2. Up. Retrace. Rise level 3. M formation. Drop level 1, retrace back up, which we saw yesterday. Drop level 2, which we're seeing right now. Seeing this little pullback right here. Level 3. And then from here, we go into another pig formation. What happened to Ethereum? What happened to Ethereum? Don't we see a little W formation here? Rise, retrace, continuation, M, drop level 1. Where are we right now? Where are we right now? It's literally the same damn thing. These things go in cycles. Don't panic. I mean, if you bought over here, then you're a sucker. Really. Like, there's just no two ways about it. I'm sorry. Like, we've all been there. We've all been there. We've all bought the all-time highs thinking it's going to go up. Because you saw some YouTubers say, oh my God, we're going to the fucking moon. It's like, no, it doesn't work like that. It really doesn't work like that. No one was paying attention to Ethereum. Like 1,700. No one was paying attention to Bitcoin when it was 28K. But when it was starting to go up to 50K, which is a psychological number, it's like, oh my God, Bitcoin's back up to 50K. That's why you get notifications on your phone from whatever wallet you're using, or CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It's like, oh, Bitcoin's at this price. Get in now. It's like, nah, bro. Because like what you guys need to understand is that for you to be able to buy something, someone needs to sell that to you. And what do I mean by this? Well, the market is an auction, right? If you look at the order book, there's buying and selling happening all the time. This is what these candles are. This is buying and selling. And then, you know, if no one's selling at this point, no one's selling at this point. I mean, sorry. Like, they're always going to be sellers at this point. Because, like, people are moon boys, right? Like, people buy this shit. But, you know what? Some people bought here. Some people bought here. Up there. Suckers. They're in the red right now. Literally, people thought, oh yeah, we're just going to continue up to the moon. Their portfolio is down, what, 18%. It's unfortunate. And you know how many people bought this dip right here? If we move down to the 15-minute time frame. Do you know how many people bought this dip? Fuckloads. You know how many people bought this right here? They're not too far off, but they're not going to see, I don't think they're going to be seeing profit anytime soon, unless we get a V-shaped recovery, which, like, honestly, kind of rarely happens, because market makers need to, you know, they need to make their money. And I'm not taking credit for this, by the way. I learned this from a YouTuber called Traders Reality. It's like one of the only YouTubers that didn't seem like he was full of shit. That's why I randomly found him thanks to the algorithm, and yeah, quite thankful. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how we called this drop, like to the T. You guys might have seen this this screenshot I posted on my Instagram stories of a friend of mine was asking, when do you think we're gonna drop? And I just said, okay, on the 7th, I think it was 8 or 9 a.m. UTC. I don't even remember. But this is how we found it, right? It's just technical analysis. Like, literally, that's just a fancy way of saying I can draw lines. I can draw lines, and you make an educated guess to see how far we're going down. And I called 3,200. Obviously, we wicked down lower, like 2,800, I believe. But I called 3,200 because of this massive liquidity pool right here. And where do we start to settle? 3,200. Where did this drop stop? 3,200. Like, how the fuck did I find that? Liquidity pools right here. Market makers were going long here to get their longs at the lower prices, start opening longs. Price goes up. They start closing their long positions and start building shorts at higher prices, right? And then, yeah, we just go back to down there. They've started building longs again. And yeah, I mean, it's really not rocket science. But yeah, look how freaky this shit is, right? Look how freaky this shit is. I'm just going to draw some lines. It's literally not rocket science. From the swing high to this next swing high to this. I know this is in hindsight, but you can check out a trading view link chart. I'll link it in the damn description, right? Literally just drew this out. When did the drop start happening? 8 a.m. UTC, September 7th. That was our entry. You know why? Fibonacci retracement tool, brother. Swing high. Swing low. This is all in hindsight, but honestly, this is all drawn out. To the dollar. To the dollar. Limit order, bruh. We had limit orders over there. And I just put limit order 3,200 thinking, you know what, we're going to be going down there. Just because they leave a footprint, man. These candlesticks don't lie. Tapped it. Just tapped it. Obviously, you could have taken a little bit more profit, but you're never going to determine the end of a move. But, yeah, I mean, would I recommend trading to anyone? Fuck no. It's too hard. I'm sleep deprived. I'm actually quite sick right now. It's, yeah, I mean, I'm sleep deprived. It psychologically fucks with you because it's designed for you to lose. 95% of traders lose. It's a steep ass learning curve. I was speaking to a friend in banking. He's been in banking for 25 years and he's still learning. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Even though myself, like, I'm using degenerate leverage at 50x. That means for a $100 position, my buying power is 5K. Why do you think markets move as fast as they do? They're taking liquidations. A 2% movement liquidates me. My whole position. I feel sorry for the people who were using cross margin, like using their whole account as margin, because like this sharp drop right here just liquidated the shit out of them. And I know people that hold trades, like they went long here. They're not going to see profit for a while. This will get recovered at some point because they're building shorts here, but they're also opening longs at the same time. So we're going to come back there. When is that going to happen? We don't know yet. There's not too much information. I mean, we can get fractals from the past, but it's just not. Like, there's nothing, like, I'm not that good yet, but, you know, I'm not going to give you guys a heads up because that's just cheating. I mean, I might do. Join the Discord, man. Just join the Discord. I'm not going to post signals up there because you got to learn how to do your own technical analysis. It's not hard. There's so many free resources out there. I'm not trying to sell you a course either. I'm just trying to get you to understand that markets move in cycles. We're not just going to like go to fucking 3 or we're not going to go to 10K. Like Bitcoin's not just going to magically go to 200K. Just like that. Just the thing, man. I'm missing out on trades. I'm actually missing out on trades. Holy shit. Is that a pullback? When did that start happening? Nah. Not too much happening right now. I'm a scalp trader anyway. I'm in and I'm out. I enter here. Exit probably here. Easy. I don't know why people are so allergic to taking profit. It's like you're in profit, At least take your capital out. Let the rest ride. Buy back in at a lower price. Unless you bought way back when we were buying weed off the Silk Road in 2012. £70 a Bitcoin, bruv. No one was paying attention to it then. Like, do you guys know how much money is in cryptocurrency these days? Goldman Sachs has a Bitcoin trading team. Anyway, rant over. If you guys want to know more about crypto or want to start your crypto journey, link down below, crypto.com. You get one of these shiny metal cards if you stake. I mean, I got the Revolut as well. Revolut's quite nice, but you don't actually own any of your coins. It's just a contract for difference. But with this, you get 2% cash back for every tap. 2%. Oyster card tap, date tap. It's like, oh, waitress, oh, is it metal? It's like, yeah. You don't need an Amex for this shit. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit congested, but any questions, just holler at your boy. Like, if you're one of those people that have direct access to me, then just give me a message. I'm always happy to help. But yeah, please just join the Discord. I'm having to repeat myself over and over and over. Same information, same questions. I'll be coming up with another video of like 10 reasons why you shouldn't be trading. Some of which I actually already highlighted here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give this thing a like. It'll really help with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, please, if you want to subscribe. I'm not just going to be making trading content. I'm actually working on a few video ideas, but just swamped right now. I mean, with this and like a new business idea, it's quite an exciting time. Like, people are moving again. Get your vaccine, please. See ya. Out here.